Hey everyone, and welcome back to Globa Insight Hub L. My name is Shafi, and on this channel we explore the tech that's shaping our future. Today's topic is something I'm incredibly excited about: the intersection of artificial intelligence and education. We'll talk about how AI personalizes learning, makes studying more engaging, and helps students succeed. So whether you're a curious student, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who loves to learn new things, keep watching. Today, we're diving into the mind-blowing world of AI and how it's completely revolutionizing the way we learn. From personalized tutors to instant summaries, AI is here to make your brain smarter and your life easier. Stick around because I'm going to show you 3 game-changing AI tools you can use right now. Now let's explore this brave new world where robots and brains unite and where learning isn't just about memorizing facts, but about igniting curiosity and empowering the next generation of thinkers. All right, so let's dive in. One way AI is changing the game is through personalized learning experiences. It's like having your own custom-made study buddy that tailors the learning experience to your needs. No more struggling through one-size-fits-all lessons that leave you confused and demotivated. With AI, every student can learn at their own pace, explore topics in depth, and get the extra support they need to truly grasp concepts. AI identifies your weak spots and creates custom lessons just for you. It's like having a private tutor available 24/7 without breaking the bank. And here's the best part: AI doesn't get tired or take days off. It's always there, ready to guide you through even the most challenging topics. Whether you need help with math, science, history, or anything in between, AI is your patient and knowledgeable companion every step of the way. Remember when you had to read a whole textbook chapter just to find one answer? What if I told you that's about to be a thing of the past? Today, we're diving into the mind-blowing world of AI and how it's completely revolutionizing the way we learn. From personalized tutors to instant summaries, AI is here to make your brain smarter and your life easier. Stick around, because I'm going to show you 3 game-changing AI tools you can use right now. Okay, so with AI, you can get instant feedback on your work. No more waiting days for your teacher to grade your assignment and provide feedback. AI can evaluate your work quickly and accurately, allowing you to learn from your mistakes and improve your skills. It's like having a personal coach that helps you refine your abilities and achieve your goals. AI also makes learning more engaging and interactive. AI-powered tools can make learning more interactive and engaging, which can lead to deeper understanding and retention of knowledge. Personalized avatars, interactive simulations, and gamified learning experiences can make studying more enjoyable and effective. Plus, AI can help you stay motivated and on track. AI tutors can provide encouragement and celebrate your successes, helping you stay motivated and build confidence in your abilities. They can also help you stay organized, meet deadlines, and make the most of your study time. Now let's talk about some practical applications of AI in education. AI chatbots can provide personalized tutoring to students in a variety of subjects. They can answer questions, provide explanations, and offer support to students as they work through problems. AI-powered tools can also automate administrative tasks such as grading assignments and scheduling classes, allowing teachers to focus on more important tasks like lesson planning and student engagement. These tools can also provide students with personalized learning experiences tailored to their individual needs and learning styles. For example, AI-powered platforms can provide students with interactive exercises, games, and simulations that make learning more engaging and effective. But wait, there's more. AI can also help students prepare for exams and standardized tests. AI-powered test prep tools can provide students with practice questions, mock tests, and personalized study plans. They can also analyze a student's performance on practice tests and provide recommendations for improvement. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn and make education more personalized, effective, and engaging for students of all ages. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI in education that can help students succeed. All right, so now let's dive into some real-world examples. AI is already being used in a number of innovative ways to improve the learning experience for students. One example is the use of AI chatbots, such as ChatGPT, to provide personalized tutoring to students. These chatbots can interact with students and provide them with explanations and support as they work through problems. Another example is the use of AI-powered tools to provide students with adaptive learning experiences. Adaptive learning platforms use AI algorithms to tailor the learning experience to each student's needs. For example, they may recommend additional resources or practice problems based on a student's performance. Additionally, AI is being used to develop virtual tutors that can provide students with personalized instruction and feedback. These virtual tutors can be particularly helpful for students who need extra support or who are unable to access traditional tutoring services. Now let's look at some of the benefits of using AI in education. One benefit is that AI can provide personalized learning experiences that are tailored to the needs of each student. This can lead to improved student outcomes and better preparation for exams and standardized tests. AI-powered tools can also automate many of the administrative tasks involved in education, such as grading assignments, freeing up teachers to focus on more important tasks like lesson planning and student engagement. Moreover, AI can make learning more engaging and interactive for students. AI-powered tools can provide students with interactive exercises, games, and simulations that make learning more effective and enjoyable. All right, so now let's take a look at 3 incredible AI tools that can level up your learning game. All right, so first up, we have tool number 1, ChatGPT for explanations. This tool is your go-to solution for breaking down complex topics into simple terms. Whether you're struggling with a tough math equation or need help understanding a historical event, ChatGPT has got you covered. Simply enter your question and watch as it generates a comprehensive explanation that clears up any confusion you might have. But that's not all. ChatGPT can do so much more than just provide information. It can also help you learn new things. Whether you want to brush up on your Spanish or learn the basics of coding, ChatGPT can guide you through the learning process and provide you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. So why wait? Start exploring the endless possibilities of ChatGPT today and take your learning to the next level. Next up, we have tool number 2, Socratic by Google for homework help. Are you stuck on a homework problem and feel like you're going crazy? Don't worry, we've got you covered with Tool 2, Socratic by Google for homework help. With this powerful tool, you can simply snap a photo of your homework problem and instantly receive a step-by-step guide on how to solve it. Say goodbye to those frustrating hours spent trying to figure things out on your own. Socratic makes it easy to get the help you need right when you need it. Whether you're in high school, college, or beyond, this handy tool can be a game changer for your academic success. And last, but certainly not least, we have tool number 3, Midjourney or other image AI for visual learning. Are you a visual learner who struggles to understand abstract concepts? Look no further than Tool 3, Midjourney or other image AI for visual learning. With this incredible tool, you can input any concept or idea and watch as it transforms into a stunning visual representation. Need to grasp the complexities of photosynthesis? Boom! There's a beautifully illustrated diagram for you. Want to visualize the Pythagorean theorem? Consider it done. Midjourney and similar AI tools are perfect for students, teachers, and anyone else who wants to make learning more engaging and effective. All right, so there you have it, folks. AI is transforming the way we learn, and it's happening right now. Who would have thought that we'd be able to access such powerful tools that make learning more personalized, effective, and engaging? And if you're as fascinated by the future of technology as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. I'll see you next time.